Now, to Cytonn Money Market Fund, we are going to start with the fund structure, and we'll look at what the law says and what they have invested in relation to the regulations. So first things first, Cytonn Money Market Fund is regulated with the Capital Market Authority, and they are listed as fund managers, and the Cytonn MMF is under the collective investment scheme, as you can see here. So they must abide and adhere to the CMA regulations pertaining collective investment scheme, which is what makes MMF safe. And the whole idea of the regulation by the CMA is to make sure that your investment is well diversified and to make sure that the risk for this particular investment is low risk, okay? Meaning that the chances of you losing money in a money market fund is very low. So we will start with this screenshot of Cytonn Money Market Fund fact sheet. And according to this, you can see the fund managers for Cytonn Money Market Fund are Cytonn Asset Managers Limited. The risk profile is low risk. Minimum initial investment is 1,000. Minimum additional investment is 100 Kenyan shillings. The annual management fee is 2%. The ledger fee is 50 Kenya shillings. You don't pay anything to start investing. The inception date when it was launched was 1st November 2017. The trustees are Goal Advisory. The custodian are SBM Bank Kenya Limited, and then they benchmark their returns on the average 91-day T-bill plus 1.0% points. Okay, and then now we can go to the actual asset allocation, and here is where we can tell whether this investment is low risk based on how diversified that particular investment is. So according to this, you can see they have 6.8% in cash, and this is what helps with the liquidity. So when you want to withdraw your money from Cytonn Money Market Fund, you can get your money instantly. Then we have 41.4% in fixed and demand deposit, and this is money deposited in bank accounts for fixed period of time at a predetermined interest rate, which provides stable returns. Then they have stable returns, and also if you want to withdraw your money, this money is available to you. And then they have demand deposit, which are funds that can be withdrawn at any time without prior notice, offering liquidity, and also this offers flexibility. And with these two, that is cash, fixed deposit, and demand deposit, Cytonn is able to provide instant withdrawal from the Cytonn Money Market Fund account to your M-Pesa or to your bank account instantly. They do a limit of 300,000 per day. So that is a very good amount. Yeah, going on, Cytonn Money Market Fund also invests 16% in government securities, those are treasury bills. Then we have under collective investment scheme, they have 35.2%. So I will attach a screenshot of the CMA regulations so that you can see if they comply as per the regulations, all right? Remember, the idea of this regulation is to make sure that the fund is well diversified to protect you as an investor in case one of the instruments they invested in went down. Yes, so this is to make sure that they have diversified the investment for you to protect your money. That being said, I want us to look at some of mind-blowing benefit of having the Cytonn Money Market Fund in your portfolio if you choose to open one. And number one, Cytonn Money Market Fund is among one of the best money market funds in Kenya, and they're offering great returns of up to 18% per year gross returns, meaning before tax years. And if you watched this video on 5 best money market funds, you know it was at number 3 with an average of 18.1% gross returns and 15.4% after tax returns. Number 2, very key benefit is instant withdrawal to M-Pesa in bank account, meaning you can save money in this MMF and keep earning interest and still access your money when you want. Yes. Number 3, which is very interesting, you can transfer your unit from one person to the other. And I think this is very cool, that if you want to maybe gift someone or send someone money, you can transfer their units or your money market fund units to them. Yes. Number 4, you can pay bills with this money market fund. And number 5, you can send money to someone else from this money market fund. That is very, very, very cool of Cytonn Money Market Fund. And now to the most important part of this video, which people usually want to ignore, but I'll keep saying this until it's ingrained to each investor's mind and to all my followers' mind. Yeah. Investing means that you're taking in some risk. If we speak about investing, we must speak about risk. Investing means that you have some money working for you, not giving you sleepless nights. You have worked so hard to get this money, and it's painful to lose it all. So remember, there are no shortcuts to investment. You must be willing to read, research, and learn about what you're investing in before you invest. And when you decide to invest, please apply the principles below. Number 1, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in the same basket. Do not put all your investments or savings in one fund. However much you have researched or you trust that investment, even if you are referred by someone you trust, just like the way money market funds allocate your investment in different instruments, you need to allocate your saving in different investments and different companies. It is recommended to not have more than 10% to 20% of all your investment or all your money in a single investment. Number 2, do not be greedy in investments. If you set goals, you want to achieve this much. When you do, exit that investment. Yes. Number 3, the higher the potential return, the riskier the investments. You get rewarded for risking. We have levels of risk. We have low risk, medium risk, and high risk. And the level of risk determines how much you should put in a particular fund or in a particular investment. So I want you to be wise. Put amount of money in a particular fund that will not make you lose your mind in case that investment went the other way. Don't let what you worked so hard for put you 6 feet under. Be cautious. We have people losing their minds and lives because they invested everything they had in a particular fund that sank. So prioritize your health. Make sure that you diversify, because that is the way to mitigate the risk of losing everything that you have. So make sure that you take time to understand the details and the risk involved in the investment that you're making. This will help you make informed decision, mitigate risk, and also protect your investments. And if you're looking for ways to diversify your investment, you need to watch this video on 5 different places to invest your money. Thank you for watching and happy investing. Bye.